Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an HTML form send an email. While HTML forms are excellent for collecting user input, they cannot directly send emails. This crucial step requires server-side processing. You'll need a backend language, such as PHP, Python, or Node.js, to securely handle the form data and initiate the email sending process. This ensures both functionality and security for your web application. Let's look at a common server-side approach using PHP. First, you'll create a PHP file, for instance, send email.php, which will be the target for your HTML form. Inside this file, you can easily access the submitted data using the $post superglobal. Then, PHP's built-in mail function allows you to construct and send the email. Remember to always validate and sanitize user input to prevent security vulnerabilities. Now let's structure your HTML form correctly. The action attribute of your form tag should point to your server-side script, like send email.php. It is crucial to use method equals post for sending data, as this method securely transmits information in the HTTP body. Each input field, including text areas and select boxes, must have a unique name attribute. Finally, a submit button is essential to send the form data. For robust and secure email sending, several best practices are vital. Always perform thorough validation and sanitization of all user input on the server to prevent injection attacks. Implementing anti-spam solutions, such as Google reCAPTCHA, is highly recommended to filter out unwanted submissions. For higher reliability and deliverability, consider using a dedicated email service provider. Lastly, ensure you provide clear user feedback and robust error handling for a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.